my junior year of high school. I was planning on going to school for business. That was like my plan. And my mom sent me this youth apprenticeship program that Frito had. She was like, well, you might as well apply. I'm Zaya Becker, and I am an industrial maintenance registered apprentice at Frito-Lay and Black Hawk together. We have equipment at Frito that is running longer than what its life expectancy is supposed to be because we're following it to par like we're supposed to. We work on anything to keep a facility running. If it's electrical, we'll work on it. If it's piping, we work on it. Pneumatic, we work on it. Hydraulic, all of it. I guess if you see it in a building, most likely a mechanic has to figure out how to work on it.
I love it. I love being able to figure out what's wrong with things. Even since I was a kid, I've taken apart stuff that definitely I shouldn't have been taking apart. My lawnmower, my weed whacker, all that kind of stuff. And now I get paid to do exactly that and fix the problems that I see. A lot of what I do is based on noise, so I can listen to the air cylinders and listen to how they actually move.
Being able to understand how to use cranes and hoists correctly and with no judgment from my peers and the pressure of having equipment down has been very, very beneficial for me. It's not so much that I feel like I have something to prove, but definitely to show other girls that they can do the same job.
We're running about 250 to 300 apprentices in the different programs that we do, and those programs are growing. I think it's critical to the technical college system from the standpoint of feeding and serving the mission that is to make sure our districts have qualified people to do what they do.
I love the fact that I can come to school and work on the same kind of trainers and panels and everything that I would do at Frito. You can talk to your teacher about how they actually run or why you have to wire it a specific way. If this is where I'm at 20 and everybody goes, well, how did you get there and you're only 20? Right? I mean, I bought my first house already. I already own my own house. Those are such big milestones, and I'm achieving them so early on because I'm an apprentice, because I have the opportunity to be able to learn and earn. It really just shows me how much the sky's the limit.